Hey guys, welcome back to Yogurt Media. It's been a long time, but we're here to shoot another little vlog. Oh fuck. So I'm using this new Zion Crane M2. Still kind of learning how to use it, so if the shots are a little off, I apologize. But we'll be rolling some filming. We'll be filming some rollers on the E30 with the new wheel setup. The wheel setup's just temporary, just an extra set of wheels Stefano has lying around. But anyways, enjoy the video. Here's Stefano.
What up? Come in there.
Ready for the new setup though. Woo! Ooh. Oh, how do you
Ooh. Dang.
Each direction.
Icy.
You said icy. Clean.
And clean. Remember kids, always change your tires
Oh my god.
before they get like this. Oh no. Okay.
You just drifted, dude.
Just, if you drift, always have a set of spares.
I have spares.
I know, we're putting them on right now.
and your wheels are good.
Woo. Ooh. Energy seat.
Oh my god. I wonder if this one is about to eject on me.
Maybe.
Oh, for real.
Dude, I love this thing makes it so easy. Really.
Yeah. You know why I hate these wheels too?
What?
Right here. A little tiny flat spot.
Got the E30 all cleaned up. Wheels are nice and shiny. Woo! It's looking good.
Like 30 safe, yeah?
Yeah.
Gang. Gang, 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 gang.
I can't.
Dude, I'm gonna take a shot, dude. How do you use this boy?
So, it's on. It's recording. You just kind of,
Oh, so
and then you can adjust.
Oh, don't do that. This is good. Wow, this is sick.
It's fun.
How does it know where to turn?
It just kind of follows. So it's on pan fall right now.
Oh, where you
so
point
it'll
it,
just
yeah?
slowly go to wherever you're panning at.
Damn, bro. So we could just be like, no.
Exactly. Gang.
I'm just guessing, dude. I can't
Look at
actually.
us in the vlog, bro.
I can't see anything.
Stefano's first time filming?
Question mark?
Question mark?
Why is it garbage? I don't know.
Clean ass shots, hopefully.
Oh, it's reversaled. No. Ultra Pan Man, dude.
Ultra Pan Man?
Yeah.
Gang.
This shit's tight.
Ultimate filming.
How do you do the vlogger?
What's up, guys?
Gang,
Welcome
gang.
to our vlog. You know, fucking shit up. Alright, so we're gonna get some rollers here soon. Got the tires all aired up.
Put the air hair's all tired up.
I can't talk today, boys. I'm sorry.
Ready to race on the racetrack.
We're gonna race. No. So we're gonna go film some rollers. Anyways, enjoy.